Have you ever wondered how computer programs are actually created? The answer lies in programming software, the specialized tools that developers use to write, edit, test, and compile code into working applications. In this video, we'll explore what programming software really is and why it's so essential to the software development process. From code editors like VS Code and Notepad++ to compilers that convert human-readable code into machine language and IDEs, integrated development environments that combine everything into one powerful workspace, programming software makes development faster, more efficient, and more manageable. Whether you're building a mobile app, designing a website, or automating a task, you'll be using programming tools that help organize code, debug errors, and run your project smoothly. These tools are the backbone of every digital product we rely on today. So if you're curious about how developers bring ideas to life through software, stick around. And don't forget to visit ExploreToday.blog for more beginner-friendly tech breakdowns. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simplified tech content.